"This toaster," she said, "burned my toast black on day 1. Let's look at 6 useful words. First, receipt. A receipt is the small paper that shows you paid for something. For example, please keep your receipt in case you need to return the item. Next, faulty. Faulty means not working correctly. The lamp was faulty, so it didn't turn on. Then, refund. A refund is money given back to you. She asked for a refund because her shoes didn't fit. Next, exchange. To exchange means to change one item for another. He wanted to exchange the shirt for a bigger size. Then, complain. To complain means to say you are not happy about something. I complained to the manager about the noisy fan. Finally, guarantee. A guarantee is a promise to fix or replace something if it breaks. The phone has a 2-year guarantee. Anna walked into the shop with a bag. Inside the bag was a toaster. She walked up to the counter. The shop assistant smiled and said, "Good morning, how can I help you?" Anna said, "This toaster is faulty. It burns the bread every time." The assistant said, "I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have your receipt?" Anna said, "Yes, here it is. I bought it last week." The assistant looked at the receipt and said, "Thank you. What would you like to do? Would you like a refund, or would you like to exchange it for a new one?" Anna thought for a moment. She said, "Actually, I really liked the design. Can I exchange it for the same model?" The assistant said, "Of course. Let me check if we have another one in the back." A few minutes later, the assistant came back with a new toaster. She said, "Here you are. This one is new. It also has a 2-year guarantee, so if it breaks again, you can bring it back." Anna said, "That's good to know. Thank you." The assistant said, "Would you like a bag for it?" Anna said, "Yes, please." The assistant put the new toaster in a bag and gave it to Anna. Anna said, "One more thing. Last time I tried to complain online, but no one answered my message." The assistant said, "I'm sorry about that. It's much faster to come to the shop directly, like you did today." Anna laughed and said, "Yes, I can see that now." The assistant said, "Is there anything else I can help you with?" Anna said, "No, that's everything. Thank you for your help." The assistant said, "You're welcome. Enjoy your new toaster, and I hope it doesn't burn your toast this time." Anna smiled and walked out of the shop with her new toaster. On her way home, she thought about how easy it was to return the faulty product. She had her receipt, she stayed calm, and she asked clear questions. Because of that, the whole process took only 10 minutes. Let's check what you remember from the shop. Let's remember our 6 words. Receipt, the paper that proves you paid. Always keep your receipt after shopping. Faulty, not working correctly. My headphones are faulty, so I can't hear anything. Refund, money given back to you. The shop gave me a full refund. Exchange, to change one item for another. I want to exchange this jacket for a smaller size. Complain, to say you are not happy. He complained about the slow service. Guarantee, a promise to fix or replace something. This washing machine comes with a 5-year guarantee. Next time, Episode 9 looks at asking for directions in town. Get the free PDF workbook for this series in the description below.